It feels like we're in Mexico celebrating Cinco de Mayo. Very strong high pressure in place across the entire western United States, bringing summer-like temperatures to the entire region today, and high pressure maxing out there today. An area of low pressure out in the Pacific heading our way is going to bring an abrupt end to this summer-type weather for us here beginning tomorrow, and it's a slow-moving area of low pressure at that. It's going to really start to move in this weekend, start to wind up just off of Southern California. Tomorrow, we're looking for a very windy day as this thing does set up right in Southern California. There won't be much moisture associated with it initially, just a lot of wind, and we're going to have some red flag warnings and high fire danger across the region tomorrow. Not as warm nearly as where we've been the last couple days. Still temperatures mild on a very windy day on Saturday. This thing slowly creeps across Arizona all the way into about mid next week time frame. Sunday, we're much cooler as the cooler air and this area of low pressure move in. We might see a few dry thunderstorms develop as the moisture just isn't there really to get some rain out of this storm system. It looks like all weekend long, maybe some very light precipitation. Another windy, cool day Sunday, but it looks like as we get into early next week and this thing's still around, it finally works some moisture into it. We may see a little bit of rain and, dare I say, even snow here in Flagstaff next Monday night. The rain mixed in with snow during the day on Tuesday. Not looking for a big snow event, but probably see some snowflakes. But some moisture sure would be nice because it has been a long time. All right, for us overnight tonight, high clouds start to fill in. We're partly to mostly cloudy throughout the night with some cirrus clouds, and that'll make for some mild early morning temperatures, 42 degrees. Tomorrow, temperatures drop off around 10 degrees from where we've been. We'll see winds gusting 40, 50 miles per hour across Arizona. Certainly be fire-wise out there over this coming weekend as there is some high fire danger out there, and the weather, the wind, the low relative humidities will certainly exacerbate the situation. Okay, here's a look at the Saturday temperatures statewide. 82 Sedona, 77 in Prescott, 78 Payson, and 82 in Winslow. If you're heading down to Phoenix, where they've been hanging out in the triple digits the last several days, today included. This weekend, with the cooling trend, much more pleasant down across the south central desert. Okay, the extended forecast for us here, all kinds of things going on. Much cooler come Sunday, windy again, high temperature in Flagstaff, 55 degrees. The moisture makes its way in Monday and Tuesday. I think a little bit of snow may mix in with some showers, even thunderstorms, little snow thunder possibly early next week, and the storm system may linger into about mid next week time frame. Wednesday would be about the last day that it would stick around. Speaking of sticking around, this is our last show here at NAZ Today for the semester. Hope you have a great summer. Be sure to be checking in on our NAZ Today website and with us on social media, as I'll be bringing you some weather information, at least on the weekly. All right, stick around. More NAZ Today coming up.